All right, so the sample pattern that we're going to be working with is going to be 5 continuous loops using 1 1/4 inches of beads per loop. And we're going to put 2 spacers beads between each loop and after the last loop. So again, we're going to leave a small tail wire and measure out the beads we need for our first loop. We're going to fold them in half just like a normal continuous loop. And twist. All right, then we're going to move 2 spacer beads. We're going to count out 2 beads from our spool, and we're going to put them right beside the base of that first petal. I'm going to hold those in place and then measure out the beads we need for the second loop. And for using spacer beads, the point of them is to conceal as much wire as possible between the loops. So you only want to leave enough space in your wire to make your twists and not have any space left over. So it's a very, very tiny, a little bit of wire there. You're going to hold that with your thumb and forefinger and then fold the other side to match. And then twist, 2, 3. And you should have your loop pressed right up against that spacer bead there. All right, so we're going to do that again because we need 2 beads between each loop. We're going to count out 2 more beads. And then we're going to measure out 1 1/4 inches for the next loop. And again, we're going to leave a tiny little space. 1, 2, 3. One more loop and 1 more set of spacer beads after. All right, then we need 2 spacer beads after the last loop. So we're just going to feed those down and put them right beside that last loop. And then if we are closing this into a circle, we'll do it the exact same way as before. We'll cross the working wire over. We're going to make sure those spacer beads are right up against the other side. I should mention you're not always going to close it when there's spacer beads, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how to do it anyways. You'll close it exactly the same way, cross over, wrap around, and then twist below. And then you can cut from your spool. All right, that is how to use spacer beads.